Jashn-e-Madar-e-Azam and Garib Nawaz in Udaipur, Rajasthan, a call to strengthen the country by following the tradition of Sufis. Udaipur. In Janakpuri of Udaipur city of Rajasthan, Jashn-e-Madar-e-Azam and Jashn-e-Garib Nawaz were celebrated under the patronage of Sufi Khanka Association National Chief Guide, Tajdar-e-Malanga Hazrat Baba Masoom Ali Madari. On this occasion, a Sufi conference was organized, in which the speakers and poets mentioned the ideas of peace, harmony, brotherhood and love of Sufia Ikram. Khalifa-e-Huzur Tajdar-e-Malanga, Fakhre-e-Malanga Hazrat Rafiq Ali Malang Madari, while expressing his views, said that the religion of Islam talks about humanity. The life of Prophet-e-Islam Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is full of such incidents in which he has treated his enemies with kindness. Sufi Khanka Association National Vice President Sufi Shah Syed Ziyarat Ali Haqqani Malang said that 1,000 years ago a Sufi set foot on the land of Khambhat, who established the tradition of Sufism in India. The message of Hazrat Sayyid Badiuddin Ahmad Zinda Shah Madar Rahmatullah Ali, who brought this tradition of love to the land of India, was taken to its peak by the great spiritual leader of Silsila-e-Chishtiya, Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Rahmatullah Ali Sarkar Garib Nawaz. Sufis of all the orders in India have worked to preserve the ancient culture and language of India. He said that it is unfortunate that today some mischievous elements, by casting hateful eyes on the shrine of Khwaja Sahib who gave the message of love to the entire world, are bent upon destroying the Ganga Jamuni culture of the country. He said that such evil-loving people should be answered with love and in a legal manner. He said that Sufi Khanka Association, under the leadership of National President Sufi Muhammad Kausar Hassan Majidi Advocate, is working towards taking legal action in this matter. Sufi Khanka Association National Working Committee member Allama Maulana Shahid Mian Masumi Madari said that Islam talks about knowledge. Our Prophet has emphasized on acquiring knowledge. He told that when people of the other side were imprisoned during the Battle of Badr, they were released on the condition of educating and training two people living in Medina. He said that the question arises whether religious education was taken from those people. No, rather who could teach religion better than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were definitely released after taking worldly education from him. The program ended with Fatiha Khuni and prayer. Tajdar-e-Malanga Baba Masoom Ali Madari prayed for peace and prosperity in the country and Hindu-Muslim brotherhood. Sufi News English.
किया जाता है और सुबह कयामत तक मदार पाक की उन दरों से पैगाम देता
नारे तकबीर, नारे रिसालत, नारे हैदरी, नारे हुसैन, नारे हुसैन, दमदार, दमदार।
मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि जब हिंदुस्तान में की वादी में ये मीनारें नहीं थी, ये मसाजिदें नहीं थे, ये मुसल्ले नहीं थे, ये जो आप देखते हैं जो कहते हैं हमारी वजह से ये इस्लाम है। अजीजाने मिल्लत के नौजवान साथियों, ये बिल्कुल आपको बरगलाया जाता है, आपको गुमराह किया जाता है। जो अगर किसी की ये मस्जिद जो अगर आपके सामने मौजूद है, जो अगर तुम्हारी बस्ती में जो अगर मस्जिद मौजूद है, मिंबर मौजूद है, जो ये मीनारे हैं, ये अजाने हैं, ये कुरान है, ये किसी का सदका नहीं है, ये हुजूर मदार पाक का सदका है। आका हुसैन, आका हसन, आका हुसैन की औलादों का सदका है जो हमें और आपको आज मिल रहा है। पूरे हिंदुस्तान की हिस्ट्री उठाकर देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा। जैसे शाहिद मिल्लत की तकरीर में आपने समाअत फरमाया कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो अगर मजहबे मिल्लत का काम किया गया, कट्टरता का काम नहीं किया गया। 1000 टोपी वाले इकट्ठा होकर 1000, 2000, 5000 लोगों के एक मिशन के प्लान के तहत इकट्ठा करने के बाद इस्लाम का वो मुजाहिरा करवाते हैं जो कि असल में इस्लाम है ही नहीं। हुजूर ख्वाजा गरीब नवाज का इस्लाम नहीं बताते हैं कि ख्वाजा गरीब नवाज, हिंदलवली, अताए रसूल, हसन संजरी, अजमेरी, हारूनी, हसनी वल हुसैनी रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु ने जिस तरीके से हमको दीन दिया था, उन्होंने ये दीन दिया था कि दीन में कट्टरता ना हो, दीन में कोई खून खराबा नहीं है। ये वो दीन है जो जनाब अहमद मुस्तफ़ा मोहम्मद अरबी मुस्तफ़ा